All right, what's going on, y'all? Sean of Math Swap Tutoring here with this math challenge. This is actually a repost, so I can make a correction. The problem is x squared minus 10 quantity squared is equal to 36. Let's solve this. We're going to take the square root of both sides. Okay. Now, the square root of the first side is just going to be x squared minus 10. That's going to be equal to square root of 36 is going to be plus or minus 6. I forgot the plus or minus in this spot. So now we have two different problems we need to solve. X squared minus 10 equals 6, and then x squared minus 10 is equal to negative 6. Let's solve the first one. Add 10 to both sides. X squared is equal to 16. Take the square root of both sides, and x is equal to plus or minus 4. We solve this one, add 10 to both sides. X squared is equal to 4, and then take the square root. X is equal to plus or minus 2. So the answers are plus or minus 4 and plus or minus 2. The first time I forgot this plus or minus, but I didn't forget the other one. And so this is the real solution. Let me know if you got all of these solutions. Make sure you like and subscribe, and have a good one. Hey, thank you for watching this video. If you need math tutoring or you need SAT math help, look in the description to find out how you can sign up today. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you stay in touch with Math Swap Tutoring on YouTube. Have a good one.